Hey, so are you ready to soak up the sun this summer? Well, I have an amazing enrollment incentive called Share the Sunshine this month, which is June 2021. So June 1st through June 30th, okay? You can enroll as a 31 consultant, and when you do, you're going to receive a $31 product credit to use to help your business. So you can buy catalogs, order forms, you can buy products to kind of help build your inventory, however you want to use that $31 credit. So that's so awesome. So you have to enroll in the month of June, okay? So you can still enroll with one of our 3 enrollment kits, and you'll get to choose your own prints and your own personalization. Now, all 3 of these kits are a business in a box, so they're going to come already with catalogs and order forms, all those necessities that you need to run a successful business right from the start. So just think about this in the summertime. You know, we want to be spending time on the beach, at the pool, just being lazy, right? Spending time with our family and our friends. And there's no better way to do that by earning extra money this summer by becoming a consultant. You may be like me and want to take your family on vacation. I was able to do that when that was one of the reasons why I joined 31s, because I wanted to take my son to Disney World, and I was able to do that with my 31 commission. So just think about what might be a fit for you. What are your plans? What are your goals? What do you want to work towards? Some people don't want to join for money. You know, some people just want the girl time. Some people just want the products, right? They have to get their hands on these products. So whatever your reason may be, 31 may be a fit for you. Whether you want to pay off something, maybe you want to go somewhere, you just love the girl time, maybe you just love the products, maybe you want a way to be able to give back and do fundraisers and things like that. We are a caring and sharing community here with 31, and it's always my pleasure to share the blessing of 31 with other women. So I'd love to chat with you and see if 31 may be a fit for you and your family. So reach out to me. I'll link below my VIP group on Facebook. So you can click that and request to join, answer the 2 questions. I'll send you back a personal message on Facebook, okay? So you can either click on my personal name and then click message and you'll see my message to you, or you can either go to like the message request folder or the spam folder, and you'll see that reply message back from me. So I'll also link below the section of my website where you can go and just learn more and read more about the 31 business opportunity and see if it might be a fit. All right, thanks so much for watching. Subscribe to this channel. That way you get a notification when I post a new video. Have a great day. Bye.